Three ways to get called into a listing presentation as the market changes. Number one is be honest. Be completely honest with what's happening at the market. Now, I know it's so easy to try and get the prices that have been happening, but as the market softens, if you try and tell people that's what's going to happen and they're going to get those prices, you're going to find yourself in a lot of difficulty. Not only that, but if you're completely honest with people, with what's going on and what's happening, they will trust you and they will respect you as they see that you're actually honest with them up front and doing a really good job. Number two, know exactly who you are. Who do you serve and how do you serve them best? What particular type of property or area are you selling? Do you desire to sell, and can you serve people best in those areas? If you get that clear in your own mind, and if you get that clear in your marketing, in your branding and your presentation, then you will know exactly who you're serving and the best way you can serve them. Not only that, but that leads us to point three, where people, your potential vendors, will know exactly who you are. So now you've got your message clear. It's a matter of getting them in front of people. That might be through door knocks, it might be on your phone calls, it might be on flyers or any brochures, anything you put out. Also, of course, on your social media channels. Know exactly who you are. Speak from that idea of professionalism, of knowing who you are in the market and why you are the best person for them to be able to talk to when it comes to selling their property. If you have this clear in your mind, then all of your marketing, all of your social, all of your offline channels, then they'll know exactly who you are and you'll be able to get them to come on board with you. Then you'll have your brand, your messaging very clear in their mind, get called into the listing presentations, and when you are that clear about it, you will get the listings. Wish you all the best.